everyone. I am Khushi. Today we are all gathered here for group discussion. Our topic is modern versus traditional thinking. In my point of view, I am on favor in traditional thinking because family or traditional thinking provides some values to us for humanity, for food and everything else. And if we talking about food, moms prepare a very good food because it contain less spices and it is healthier also. That is my point.
I agree with Khushi because sometimes traditional thinking is important because our family get together and our festival are we are celebrated with each other, and sometimes in modern thinking we don't have too much time to spend with each other.
Okay, I completely agree with Kushi and Radhika because I am the favor of traditional thinking. Because of traditional thinking is the identity like festival like Holi, Diwali, whatever our Indian festival we are celebrating in traditional looks. We are celebrate like that. There is many more thinking we are. Celebrating in traditional vibes. That's it.
I am in favor of modern thinking because modern thinking encourages new idea, new innovations, and individual freedom.
I also like modern thinking because in that particular generation we need to acquire some technologies. That's why.
I am favor of traditional also and modern also because I think in traditional we value the family, but in modern culture also we value the family, and also it's not like we are all, in modern culture we only uh, we are not giving time to family. It's not like that. We are giving time in uh, modern culture also, and it's a perspective of some people that they think that only traditional culture have a family value. I think in modern also have a family value.
I think both are important in today's generation uh, because because traditional thinking and traditional people like millennials people, they all knowledge about what tradition and all knowledge about festivals and other things, and in Gen Z peoples they have a smart knowledge of how to complete our work in some few minutes, and traditional people they don't have a knowledge about what we complete our work in a less time. So I think both are important.
I think I in my point of view will tell you one incident. In past time in where we are living, there we are have neighbors, they are living in neighborhoods. Now we are living in flat system. Day by day we are turning modern, and according to my opinion, you see some flats, they don't know what are our neighbors doing, and they don't help each other. Whatever situations is are, whatever the conditions are, I see the reel. There's some lady telling telling us about it's one lady who do suicide, and we don't know her name and we don't know about her conditions. So she's telling we are turning modern day by day, and we don't help each other. This is not our family values or our traditional cultures. So if we are taking modern or family traditional values or traditional culture together, we we will do excellent job. But we are taking only the modern era forward. This is not America or not in other country. This is India. We are here to help each other. This is our Indian values, our Indian culture. That's it about my.
I'm agree with Khushi, but according to my view, modern culture is also good because to follow our dream, to follow our career, we have to relocate it from one city to another city, and that doesn't mean we don't love our parents, but to do something new, we have to relocate it. Yeah.
Okay. In urban area, there are lots of people. They don't need. They don't need to say like I need you. They don't have any. They have a for lots of hesitation. What I say that people I help. matlab, just he have to help me. And in that rural area, the village peoples are very supportive because they follow a tradition thinking. They have support in everyone. If we are celebrating some festivals, but if a person who can he is very poor in his home or in his house, but there is lots of people in village area. They can go there, they can go to his home and support him like celebrating together like that. I think traditional is the best thing in our India.
In modern era, there is a lots of facilities like a hospital, education, school or colleges there.
I respect both, but in that modern generation, they take a quick decision. They have ability to learn new things. They acquire knowledge easily. Yeah, that's it.
In the traditional culture, we the people don't support women, and most of the time in large scale they are not supporting women. And in the modern, like in Gen Z, we are give like people in Gen Z give equal opportunity for both men and women, because in like in the past, when women doing her jobs, she don't get the enough money, like a salary, that she is doing same work as the men doing, and equal, she's doing her job, but she does not get a paycheck for her work. But in modern era, we I think modern people knows the value of women. If the women learn, she then she teach her whole family, whole her children also to do her study, and she learn whole the family to do a study and give her children most like to take career opportunity for the best. I think that's all.
I'm agree with you, and I think today traditional peoples, they always think a woman don't do job, and any and girls don't live alone. So I think today's generation Gen Z people, they think woman everything woman should do, and every work woman also they work completed and in comparison of man. And traditional thinking peoples also matter than our generation, because if we celebrate any festival, so we don't know about what these things are useful. So traditional people traditional people, they all have a knowledge for how to celebrate this festival. So I think both are important.
I agree with you, but I have a we are I am on both sides, but sometimes modern people are too modern to understand traditional things. So I respect women. I love that Revati gave us 2 point about women, but sometimes what about old peoples? If both are working together, what about their parents who lives at home? What about their children? What about our family values? If you see both work together, both parents are work together. If you see single child, he always be like, my mother and father don't give me time, and he will be mentally ill and whatever the conditions are. And I think if we are living modern era, so they should understand those things. If one is living home and they if man and woman, man is also live at home and do household things, but some people don't understand these things and they always choose woman for that things. Woman should only do these things. Man should go outside and work for their family. No, it is apply for all. It ancient time we didn't understand this thing, but in modern area we we are developing, we are trying to understand this thing. I am on both sides. I am not favoring this side also and this side also, but in my point of view, if we are trying to getting if we are if we are creating some development, we are trying to get our critical thinking very good condition. So that's why I am in favor of both point. That is my point.
Sometime we go to village and there are some people we don't know them, but through our parents they know us, so they come to us and ask about our health, what do you do. So uh, it's a very motherly feeling that they ask us. And in city it does not happen. So this is a big change we feel that. And if we live in a big city like Mumbai or anywhere, uh, sometimes feel like we don't have to live alone, because and that's why we also feel depressed, and because we don't have anyone to talk with. We only have social media. Through social media we also get depressed and our mental health also disturbed.
Okay, traditional things we are saying like that. A random thing I was saying. Uh, one who lots of peoples are following traditional things. They can try to do join join their whole family. In that modern thing we have to say like that, we don't need for trying to understand our parents. We just focus on our career goals. We have to do if I have an opportunity for I have opportunity for UK, US. I don't think like my parents. I just think like, yes, that is my turning point. I have to leave my home. But sometimes traditional peoples are thinking about that point. They are thinking like, no, I can't do that, because of I am going there when in my In my absence, what's about my parents? They what they can do. That's it.
I think how much modern things are important, that much traditionals are also important because they have a knowledge, they know about, they have a life experience, they live life more than us. They know how to face a problem, how to solve it, how to spend time with family, how to help other people. That's it.
So in modern era, like recently, we in the past, most of the people in traditional thinking people, they judge women by their color, by their like everything in the they judge their every little small things they are judging women. And for the men, there is no like they don't judge it. But in modern era, um, like modern people are accepting the women color, dark tone color, not only for women but men also get discriminate for their color, for their dark skin. And I think it's a in India there are multiple culture, people have a multiple skin tone. But for the dark color people have always been targeted. And and also for their every little teeth, and you can say that anything. But for in modern people, they are accepting every it's our body. And we have we can we are accepting. And we don't care about other people, what they are thinking. And and that's it's a good sign for the modern people. And also in modern people, they don't take the someone is arguing with them, like someone is judging with them, they don't accept it. And they don't accept it, they argue with them. And I think that's modern people too.
Okay, रेवती कोई भी हो सकता है.
I'm agree with you because village people they have some different think because they always think they always judge any person. They have a like use you black tone, they say. And they judge for our life, like you explore new things and you earn like lots of money, you don't earn money, so they every time judge you. So and in different side, cities people they have a good thing. So they don't just judge any people, they only live for yourself, they don't focus on other people. So it is the difference.
I think in traditional we do a lordship to Lord Ram, Lord Krishna. These are the traditional or Asian time things, and we are applying these things to generation. And as you know, uh, Krishna has a dusky skin tone, so shouldn't be we shouldn't be don't we try to prioritize every color. This is our culture, but some people are thinking very low. That's why they are thinking that dusky skin tone people has a uh, very bad, and they are trying to humiliate that dusky skin tone people. But now in this generation they are trying to recording that these things, and trying to they are trying to get in ancient time we are humiliating this dusky stone people, and in this area they are trying to renew these things. And after this generation, we their next generation, we are a person who not do not we are the all community who don't humiliate the dusky skin tone people. As we can, if anyone told you now you are dusky skin tone, you should always say example of Lord Krishna. He is a dusky skin tone.
I'm agree with Kushi and you also. I also like dusky skin and it is very beautiful. There are some color which look beautiful on them, and also in modern thinking we don't judge people. We just say if any skin tone you have, just style it in a correct way and it's look beautiful.
But we just forget we are in Indian people. We are living in India. We are famous in that Indian peoples are bitching. Everyone we are bitching, like our office colleagues. We are bitching our family, like in the back of our family member. Like I just example for you. I have I have lots of colleagues in my office. Some one colleague can go outside, then we both are bitching together in that person. I just mean to say, in traditional era or modern era, bitching is permanent. We are judging person to person is permanent, but not in front of that people gossiping, like bitching, like whatever we say, bitching means sugla karne. हाँ, and then
You said appropriate word.
okay, that's why no one can judge you. You just use matlab, the modern era. You have to say Revati. I just mean to say uh, there is lots of there is no matter to modern people or traditional people. This is permanent to comparing each other. We cannot say like we I am the modern people, then I cannot comparing anyone. That this is permanent because we are living in India. That's it.
In modern era, people value equality, so they don't judge any people by their caste.
There are a lot of diversity in India, like cultural and religion. But today's generation are not judging anyone by their culture, by their religion, by their language. Gen Zs are respect all the person.
So in the traditional era, not like today also, we heard something that like in like have arranged marriage. I think modern marriage, love marriage also have women have to give dowry. So it's a very bad thing for the for her family, and also today now men is calling out that you also for after the divorce you are taking our half of the properties. So I think you should look back in the history that women also giving you a dowry, and most of the family even they are poor. They doing like they don't even eat food good, but they are storing money for give to dowry for her daughter. um, and also I want to say that in the uh, yes, love marriage, in the love marriage, today is very common today is very common, but in the past they don't approve, both men and women. And also I don't judge arranged marriage, but also in the past in arranged marriage I also fall they don't treat women very well. And if the women get bad treatment, the family, her family and his family also force her to stay in that marriage. And they think that it's a traditional way, that if you break the marriage, it will people will finding fault in the in her in her in no, it's the daughter, like his daughter. That's why her parents say that you should not break the marriage, and you don't have to give a divorce. And but in modern era that's changed. Both if the marriage is not work in the normal way, then they take a divorce. It's a very natural. I think that's a very good in the modern era.
So in 90s era, there are people thinking why girls are born in our family. But in their old age, girls are support their parents. Comparison of boys, because boys not suppose boys not support their parents, and girls always support their parents, and they always come for their one call. And in today's generation, people think in our family girl are born, so it come Lakshmi. So in it's uh, the difference of thinking.
So, in my point of view, modern era is also good and traditional era is also good. So, this is the both important things. So, we should change our mind. So, we should conclude this group discussion here. Thank you everyone for presenting your views. Thank you.